Hello, every friends from the every customers. This is Daniel from China Mobile DVR Dashcam Factories. Today we are going to introduce this kind of dashcam. So this dashcam is our newly developed product. It has built-in two channels. The resolution is 2 megapixels. So on the front camera is adjustable, and the cabin camera both is 2 megapixels. And the dashcam is built-in GPS 4G Wi-Fi function. For the GPS is real-time locationing and GPS vehicle trace. And for the 4G, you can preview from the apps or the PC software, and also you can check the vehicle video playback. For the Wi-Fi, it also have two functions. The first one is Wi-Fi station mode. The device connect to the Wi-Fi, and the device will be connected to the platform, and you can see all the data from the device. And the second, the Wi-Fi hotspot, they will use the cell phone to connect to the device and do the settings and you can do all kinds of settings. And this kind of dashcam is supported one pieces micro SD card. The capacity is 512 GB memories. And this kind of dashcam, we have two kinds of bracket suitable all kinds of vehicles like sedan, MPV, SUV, and trucks. So we have different bracket suitable for all kinds of vehicles. And for this kind of dashcam, we have the 232 to connect to all kinds of devices like oil fuel sensor. If you want to monitor the fuel consumption every day, every week, every vehicle, so you can connect to the fuel sensor. If you want to monitor every tire's pressure, you can connect to the TPMS, tire pressure monitor system. And if you want to check the driver's attendance, you can connect to the RFID to check the driver's attendance. If you want to check, if you want to check how much weight does the truck load, so you can connect to the loading sensor. If you have a taxi or the online cab sedan, you can connect to the LED advertisement. So we have passengers on call, so you will have this advertisement, LED advertisement on the top of the ceiling of the taxi. So this RS232 is for connecting the external devices. So if you have some questions for these devices, you can let me know. I will make you a detailed description.